So children, today we are going to make Rakhi and it will be eco-friendly Rakhi. Eco-friendly Rakhi means we are not going to use any fancy material for decorating our Rakhi. And the things that we require for decorating the Rakhi, we will get it from the nature itself. Like you can see, I have taken here 8 leaves of smaller size. That is, I have taken the leaf of a rose plant. Then here, I have taken rose flower. Okay, this is of red color. Next is your kalava. You all must be having at your places. Scissor. Your mother is going to help you out while cutting the things. You are not going to touch it. Fevicol. And the most important thing is this circle. Okay, you are going to cut a circle. You must be having old scrapbook or you must be having chart paper. So what you are going to do, you are going to tell your mother to make a circle for you and you are going to cut it. Okay, it can be of any color, but the most important thing is that it should be thicker. Okay, and the last one is your sellotape. So let's start our work now. Okay children, now we are going to make the base of the Rakhi first. As I told you earlier, you are going to cut a circle of any color. Okay, it should be little bit thicker. So now what you people will do, you will tell your parents to put a hole. You can see a hole. Okay, little bit bigger hole. Okay, now what we people will do, we will paste these leaves over here. Now just see how I am doing. You need a Fevicol. You will take the help of your mother while applying the adhesive. Okay, like this. You are going to paste it this side. Okay, this is the leaf. Okay, paste it over here. Then make a line over here. Okay, now you are going to paste this leaf over here. Okay, now this side. Okay, 4 leaves we have pasted it in this way. Keep it for some time, let it dry. Now 4 leaves are left. What we are going to do, we are going to paste it over here. Okay, like this. We are going to paste over this. Okay, like this. In between the 2 leaves, one space is there now, we are going to fill that space. Apply this Fevicol evenly, okay, so that the pasting work is neat. I know you can't do it on your own. Just tell your parents to assist you, help you, okay, or your brother and sister. Okay, then you are going to keep this. Just see the base is ready for us. Okay, and you are going to keep it for some time. Okay, leave it for some time, let it be dry. So our base is ready. Now our third step will be, this is kalava. Okay, what you people will do, you will tell your mother, you are going to hold it from one side and she is going to hold it from the other. Then you are going to fold it the length you want. Okay, as per the length you want. I have taken this much. Okay, and then cut it from the other end. This is the length required, and what your mother will do, your mother is going to put a knot over here. Okay, this side. Okay, like this knot, and this side one knot. So our string is ready. Okay, like this. Only one I need. This is the example that I showed you. Okay, so our this string is ready, and you are going to cut it like this. Your mother is going to do, right? Like this. Okay. Now children, fourth step will be, as I told you, we need a rose flower. So what I did, I have taken a rose flower and I have left a little bit stem over here. So as I told you, in the base we are having a hole, so we are going to put it slowly inside it in this way. Okay, in this way. Don't press it too hard because the flower is very delicate. Okay, then you are going to turn it. Okay, keep it like this, and this is the kalava you are having. You are going to tie a knot on this, like this. Okay, tie a knot. Again 2 times you are going to do it, so that it shouldn't come out. Okay, then what you are going to do, you are going to take Fevicol, and what you are going to do, now apply a little bit of Fevicol over here. Like this. Okay, and here also. Okay, and then what you are going to do, you are going to stick this kalava on this like this. Okay, and then you are going to keep it for some time, right? Keep it for some time like this. Okay, so our eco-friendly Rakhi is ready. Just see, it's looking so beautiful. And what we are going to do, you are going to tie it. Where? You are going to tie it on the tree. Okay, so we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan also and Vriksha Bandhan also. Okay, so save trees, save our nature, as they are our lifesavers. Okay, thank you class.